Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question, which is chef in his office. Okay, so recently chef joined a new company. In this company, the employee has to work for X hours each day from Monday to Thursday. Okay, so chef has joined a new company, and in new company, the chef has to work, or an employer has to work for X hours from Monday to Thursday. Okay, means 4 days they have to work X hours each day. Okay, and Friday is a chill day, they have to work for Y hours. Okay, and you have to determine the total number of working hours in a week. Okay, so in this question, there is given that from Monday to Thursday. Okay, from Monday to Thursday, they have to work for X hours. Okay, means each day, and for Friday they have to work by hours. Okay, so from Monday to Thursday there is 4 days. Okay, 4 days, and they have to work X hours, so you just have to multiply it 4x, and for Friday they have to work Y hours, so you just have to plus it. This will give total hours that they have to work in a week. Okay, so I hope you understand what this question is telling. So let's understand with an example here. Here is given a three test cases: 10, 5, 10 and 5. This is the x and this is the y. So you just have to put 4 into 10, means from Monday to Thursday they have to work 4 into 10 hours, means 40 hours. Okay, and for Friday they have to work 5 hours, which is 45. Total 45 hours they has to work. Okay, so I hope you understand that what this question is telling. So let's write the pseudocode here. First you have to take int t, which is the number of test cases, and then cnt, and then while t minus minus, you have to take int x comma y as an input, cn x cn y. Okay, and then you just have to do int answer, which will give 4 into x plus y. Okay, and then you just have to do cout answer, and then you have to end it. Okay, so I hope you understand this question. So let's write the code here. Int t, which is number of test cases, and then cnt while t minus minus, then you just have to do int x comma y, and then cn x cny. Okay, and then int answer, which will give 4 into x plus y. Okay, and then you just have to do cout answer, and then end it. So let's run this code. Yeah, I hope this code works fine. Yeah, let's submit it. This has been accepted. Thanks for watching.